Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is explore yourselves, banking and general knowledge, etc. Jai Hind, your daily boost, highlights from Indian and global history, along with Tithi, Nakshatra, major global events, and notable birth and death anniversaries of 27th April 2026, Monday, Bengali date, 13 Boisak, 1433. Sri Madan Gupta Punjika. Today's Tithi with Shukla Ekadashi and up to 1956 hours and after that Shukla Dadushi. Today's Nakshatra is Purva Phalguni Nakshatra and up to 2258 hours and after that Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra. Today is 117th day of the year. There are then 248 days left in 2026. Today is 17th Monday of 2026. Today is Mohini Ekadashi. Mohini Ekadashi is a sacred Hindu observance dedicated to Lord Vishnu, celebrated on the 11th day Ekadashi of the Shukla Paksha in the month of Boisak, typically falling in April or May. The name Mohini is associated with the divine and enchantress form of Vishnu, known as Mohini, who is believed to have distributed the nectar of immortality, Amrit, among the gods during the churning of the ocean. On this day, devotees observe a strict fast, engage in prayers, and chant hymns dedicated to Lord Vishnu, seeking forgiveness for past sins and spiritual purification. It is believed that observing Mohini Ekadashi with devotion helps one overcome illusions, attachments, and negative influences, leading toward a righteous path. Many devotees also read or listen to the Ekadashi Brot Katha, which explains the significance of the day. The festival emphasizes self-discipline, devotions, and the triumph of divine wisdom over worldly temptations. Today is Thrissur Puram is one of the most spectacular and grand temple festivals of Kerala, celebrated annually at the Bhadakunthanan temple in the city of Thrissur. Held during the Malayalam month of Medam, April-May, the festival is renowned for its magnificent display of decorated elephants, traditional percussions, music, and vibrant cultural performances. The highlight of Thrissur is the friendly competitions between two temple groups, Peramukkupu Devaswaram and Thirubambadi Devaswaram, featuring the famous Kudamattam, a colorful umbrella changing ceremony atop caparisoned elephants. Another major attraction is the powerful Panchabaddam and Melam orchestras that create an electrifying atmosphere. The festival concludes with a grand fireworks display that lights up the night sky and draws thousands of spectators. Thrissur Puram reflects the rich cultural heritage, unity, and festive spirit of Kerala, making it one of the most iconic temple celebrations in India. Today is Morse Code Day. Morse Code Day is celebrated on April 27th each year to honor Samuel Morse, the inventor of the Morse code, who was born on this day in 1791. Morse code is a system of dots and dashes representing letters and numbers. Popularized long-distance communications in the 19th century and became a crucial tool for telegraphy, maritime signaling, and even emergency situations. This day recognizes the incredible impact Morse code had on connecting people across the world and celebrates its historical significance and continued use by enthusiasts and radio operators today. Today is National Gummi Bear Day. National Gummi Bear Day is celebrated every year on April 27th to honor the colorful, chewy candy that has delighted people of all ages for decades. Originally created by German candy maker Hans Riegel in the 1920s, gummy bears quickly became a beloved treat worldwide, known for their fruity flavors and playful bear shape. This day is a fun opportunity for candy lovers to indulge in their favorite gummy sweets, share them with friends and family, and even get creative with gummy bear themed recipes and crafts. It's a sweet celebration of a timeless snack that continues to bring joy and nostalgia to many. Today is Babe Ruth Day. Babe Ruth Day is celebrated on April 27th each year to honor the legendary baseball player George Herman Babe Ruth, who is considered one of the greatest athletes in American sports history. Established in 1947, the day was first commemorated at Yankee Stadium while Ruth was battling cancer, giving fans a chance to show their admiration and gratitude. Known for his incredible home run records, larger than life personality, and lasting impact on the game, Babe Ruth transformed baseball into America's pastime. Babe Ruth Day is tribute to his enduring legacy and the inspiration he continues to provide to players and fans alike. Today is World Design Day. World Design Day, celebrated on April 27th, honors the power of design to save the world and improve lives, initiated by the International Council of Design, ICOD. This day highlights the role of designers in creating innovative, functional, and beautiful solutions that address social, environmental, and economic challenges. It's a celebration of creativity, problem solving, and the impact thoughtful design has on communities and cultures. World Design Day encourages designers and the public alike to reflect on how design can contribute to a better, more inclusive world. Today is National Little Pampered Dog Day. National Little Pampered Dog Day is celebrated annually on April 27th to honor the special bond between pet parents and their cherished canine companions. Founded in 2016 by Lord Wellhaven, publishers of Little Pampered Dog magazine, the day encourages dog owners to indulge their pets with extra love and care. Celebrations can include spa treatments, gourmet treats, fashionable outfits, or adventurous outings. Beyond pampering, the day also raises awareness about dogs in need, promoting adoptions and support for animal helpers. It's a heartfelt reminder to celebrate our furry friends and advocate for the well-being of all dogs. Today is National Prime Rib Day. National Prime Rib Day is celebrated on April 27th each year to honor one of America's most beloved and flavorful cuts of beef. Known for its rich, marbling tenderness and juicy taste, prime rib is often the centerpiece of festive meals and special occasions. This day encourages meat lovers to savor a perfectly seasoned and slow to roasted prime rib. Whether dining out at a favorite restaurant or preparing it at home, it's a delicious celebration of culinary traditions and the art of roasting meat to perfection. Today is Marine Mammal Rescue Day. Marine Mammal Rescue Day is observed annually on April 27 to honor the dedicated efforts of wildlife professionals, volunteers, and organizations committed to rescuing, rehabilitating, and releasing marine mammals in distress. Established in 2017 by California State Senator Tony Atkins, this day brings attention to the challenges marine mammals face due to pollution, climate change, and human activities. It also highlights the importance of ocean conservation and encourages public support for marine life protection initiatives. Marine Mammal Rescue Day serves as a reminder of our collective responsibility to safeguard the health of our oceans and the creatures that inhabit them. Today is National Devil Dog Day. National Devil Dog Day, celebrated annually on April 27th, is a delightful fusion of culinary indulgence and historical homage. The term devil dog originated during World War One, when German soldiers reportedly referred to the tenacious US Marines as Teufelshunden, devil dogs, for their fierce fighting at the Battle of Belleau Wood. This nickname inspired Drake's cakes in 1926 to create the devil dog snack, a delectable treat featuring two layers of devil's food cake with a creamy filling. In 2017, Sean Alexander Sobel established National Devil Dog Day to honor both the brave Marines and the cherished snack he fondly remembered sharing with his grandfather. The day invites people to enjoy devil dog, delve into marine crops history, or even bake their own version of the classic dessert. Today is World Tapir Day. World Tapir Day, observed annually on April 27th, is dedicated to raising awareness about tapirs, unique ancient herbivorous mammals native to Central and South America and Southeast Asia. Established in 2008, this day highlights the critical role tapirs play in their ecosystems, particularly in seed dispersal and forest regeneration, earning them the nickname gardeners of the forest. All four tapir species, the Bayards, Brazilian, Malayan, and mountain tapirs, face threats from habitat destruction, deforestation, and poaching, placing them on the endangered or vulnerable species list. World Tapir Day serves as a global call to action to protect these remarkable creatures and the habitats they help sustain. Today is Woody Woodpecker Day. Woody Woodpecker Day, celebrated annually on April 27th, honors the mischievous and iconic cartoon character created by Walter Lange in 1940. Devoting, devoting in the short film Knock Knock, Woodpecker quickly became a staple of American animation, known for his infectious laugh and zany antics. Over the decades, Woody starred in over 200 cartoons, earned a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, and became an official mascot of Universal Studios. Fans celebrate this day by rewatching classic episodes, sharing nostalgic memories, and even creating Woody-inspired crafts, keeping the spirit of this beloved character alive for generations to come. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Samuel Finlay Bridge Morse, 27th April 1791 to 2nd April 1872. Samuel Finlay Bridge Morse was an American inventor and accomplished portrait painter who left a profound mark on the fields of art and communication. After gaining recognition for his skill as a painter, he shifted his focus in midlife towards scientific innovations. Drawing inspirations from European telegraph designs, he played a crucial role in developing a practical singular telegraph system that transformed long-distance communication. In 1837, he co-developed the famous Morse code, a groundbreaking method of encoding messages through dots and dashes, which made telegraphy faster and more reliable. His efforts helped bring telegraph technology into widespread commercial use, revolutionizing communication across continents. Through his dual legacy in both the arts and scientific invention, Morse remains a pivotal figure in American history. Today is birth and death anniversary of Mr. Sarath Chandra Pandit, Dada Thakur, 27th April 1879 to 27th April 1968. Sarath Chandra Pandit, popularly known as Dada Thakur, was a renowned Bengali composer of humorous rhymes, writer, publisher, and social critic known for his sharp wit and fearless commentary. He hailed from Dafarpur in West Bengal, though his family's ancestral roots lay in Dharmapur in the Birbhum district. Dada Thakur led a remarkably self-reliant life, single-handedly publishing the newspaper Jongipur Sangvad from Jongipur, where he performed multiple roles, including writer, compositor, proofreader, and pointer. Working with a simple wooden and press set up in his own bedroom, he was initially supported by his wife and a few temporary workers. He also published a satirical pamphlet titled Bidusok, which he used as a powerful tool for social criticism and public awareness. Through humor and satire, he boldly addressed issues like corruption and social injustice. His writings resonated with common people and reflected deep societal concerns in an accessible style. Dada Thakur remains an iconic figure in Bengali literature for his originality, courage, and commitment to social reform. Today is death anniversary of Mr. Rajsekhar Basu, Parshuram, 16th March 1880 to 27th April 1960. Rajsekhar Basu, popularly known by his pen name Parshuram, was a distinguished Bengali chemist, author, and lexicographer, widely regarded as the greatest humorist in 20th century Bengali literature. He earned immense fame for his witty, comic, and satirical short stories that combined sharp intellect with social insight. Beyond literature, Bosu was a man of diverse talents and contributions, actively associated with the National Council of Education and the Bangla Sahitya Parishad. During the Indian independence movement, he discreetly supported revolutionaries by providing financial help, chemicals, and technical expertise. He also played a significant role in the development of Bengali printing, assisting Suresh Chandra Majumdar in creating the first Bengali linotype system. His literary excellence brought him numerous accolades, including the Padma Bhushan in 1956, along with prestigious honors from University of Calcutta and Jadavpur University. His works such as Krishnakuli, Ittadi Golpo, and Anandibai Ittadi Galpo received major literary awards, cementing his legacy as a multifaceted genius. Today is death anniversary of Mr. T.K. Madhavan, 2nd September 1885 to 27th April 1930. T.K. Madhavan was a prominent social reformer, journalist, and freedom fighter from Kerala who played a crucial role in challenging caste-based discriminations and untouchability. Born into the Ejava community, he dedicated his life to fighting social inequalities and uplifting marginalized groups. As a leader of the Sri Narayana Dharma Podipalana Yogam, he worked closely with Sri Narayana Guru to promote education, social justice, and equality. Madhavan is best remembered for spearheading the historic Bhaikom Satyagraha, a non-violent movement demanding the right of lower caste people to use public roads around the Bhaikom temple. He was also active in the Indian National Congress, linking social reform with the later struggles for independence. As a result, he edited the newspaper Desh Himani, using it as a platform to spread reformist ideas. His untimely death at the age of 45 was a great loss to both the social and political movements of Kerala. Today, T.K. Madhavan is remembered as a fearless reformer who fought for dignity, equality, and justice for the oppressed. Today is birth anniversary of Miss Johra Mumtaz Sehgal, 27th April 1912 to 10th July 2014. Zohra Mumtazullah Khan, widely known as Zohra Sehgal, was a pioneering Indian actress, dancer, and choreographer whose remarkable career spanned over 8 decades. Born on April 27, 1912, in Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh, into a traditional Muslim family, she defied societal norms early on by pursuing the arts. Sehgal began her artistic journey with Uday Shankar's dance troupe in 1935, touring internationally and embracing modern dance forms. Transitioning into acting, she became a prominent figure in Indian theatre, notably with Prithvi Theatre and the Indian People's Theatre Association. Her versatility led her to British cinema and television, with notable roles in productions like The Jewel in the Crown and Bhaji on the Beach. Returning to India in her later years, charmed audiences in films such as Dil Se, Bandit like Beckham, and Chinikam. Honored with prestigious awards including the Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan, Sehgal remained active in the arts until her retirement in 2007. She passed away on 10th July 2014 at the age of 102, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire generations in the performing arts. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Monibhai Bhimbhai Desai, 27th April 1920 to 14th November 1993. Mohini Bhimbhai Desai was a distinguished Indian social reformer, environmentalist, and rural development activist, best known for his lifelong work in uplifting rural communities through sustainable development. A close associate of Mahatma Gandhi, he dedicated his life to implementing Gandhian principles of self-reliance, rural education, and cooperative farming. He founded the Bharatiya Agro Industries Foundation (BAIF) in 1967, which played a vital role in promoting dairy development, afforestation, and livestock improvement across India. His initiatives significantly enhanced the livelihoods of rural farmers and helped modernize the agricultural sector. For his remarkable contributions, Monibhai Desai received several prestigious honors, including the Raman Magsaysay Award for Public Service in 1982, the Padma Shri in 1968, and the Padma Bhushan in 1976. He also worked to improve rural health, women's empowerment, and environmental conservation. Desai's visionary work transformed the socio-economic landscape of rural India, and his legacy continues through BAIF's ongoing community development programs that empower millions of rural families. Your daily dose of wisdom ends here, but the journey never stops. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe, and share.